Hello guys, I received one question today. Should I be consuming carbs or should I be reducing the intake of carbohydrates on a daily basis? Basically what happened was one of his friend started reducing the intake of carbohydrates and he started to lose weight. That is where I received this particular question. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe below so that you will be able to receive the updates whenever I upload my next video. Now let us look at, should we be consuming carbs or should we be reducing the intake of carbohydrates to lose our weight. But before I start with this particular thing, if you have not checked out my video about protein intake, should I be consuming protein, just click on this I button and you will be able to go and watch it and then come back to this video to get to know more about this question. Now coming back to this particular topic, we will be consuming majorly carbohydrate sources of energy in our day-to-day life. Either it is the breakfast, lunch or dinner. You will be consuming either the grains or the cereals or maybe something like millets, anything of this sort which is rich in carbohydrates. Now it is something like you have a vehicle and you want to travel 10 kilometers distance, and it would require certain amount of fuel to travel that 10 kilometer distance. Now what will happen if you reduce the fuel source for that vehicle? Your vehicle will not be able to reach the 10 kilometer mark. The body is something similar. If you are not able to provide it the sufficient amount of energy, it will not be able to go till the end of the day or maybe till the next meal. You will start feeling hungry at times. You might even start craving for certain sorts of food, something like sweets, or maybe if you have a habit of snacking in between the meals, maybe fried foods or something like that. So what basically happens is, if you are not providing the energy for your body starts to ask for more of it. It starts by saying that it wants more food, maybe in the form of immediate source of energy, which is something like glucose or simple carbohydrates or maybe even sugars or chocolates maybe. So now coming back to this point, if you consume less amounts of carbohydrates, you will be basically not giving sufficient amounts of energy to your body. Now would you want to do that with your vehicle? Definitely not, because you might not end up reaching the destination. Now having said that, if you reduce the intake of carbohydrates, you should be able to consume some or the other source of energy. It might be your sugars or the simple carbohydrates or some other form of carbohydrates, or maybe if you have consumed a little bit amount of protein, or maybe if you have consumed fat. These are the sources of energy for our body and they will help us to take us till the next meal. Now go and check back, guys. Are you trying to cut down on carbohydrates to reduce your weight? Then are you increasing any other sources of energy for your body? If not, then are you doing the right thing? Just check. Have a check before you perform things. If you are not really sure, reach out to an expert so that you will be able to get more and more details about how to prepare or plan your own diets. Now if you are liking my content, do like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to receive more and more inputs and updates. And hopefully if you have any further questions, you can just reach out to me on my social handles, or you can just comment below so that I'll be able to respond and I'll also be able to make a video for you. See you guys.